Hello all, welcome to my channel, The Non-IITian Guy. Today we'll be working on the solution for binary tree Inorder Traversal. This is one of the easiest problems in binary tree, but this is asked a lot of times in various interviews as well as the online rounds for all the major companies. So uh, we'll quickly jump on to the solution of this problem. So what is a binary tree? So we all know that binary tree can have a maximum of two children, the left and the right child of any root node. So if we want to do a in-order traversal of a binary tree, we'll first see what is a in-order traversal. So suppose this is a binary tree where each node can have a maximum of two children. Right, so we'll label these as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the in-order traversal starts from the root node. So in order traversal, you first traverse to the left of the root node and you keep going to the left child if the left child exists. If the left child doesn't exist, then you print the root node and then move on to the right child of that node. And similarly, in the right child, you will first recursively traverse to the left node and then the root node and then the right node. So for this binary tree, the in-order traversal would be, we'll start from the root node 1. We see that it has a left child, so we'll go to the left child. Then for 2 we again see that there's a left child, 4. For 4 there's no left child, so we'll just print 4. Then after that we'll see whether 4 has a right child or not. It doesn't, so we'll go up. So now comes 2. 2 doesn't have a right, so we'll print 2. 2 doesn't have a right child, so we'll again recurse back to 1. We'll print 1. Then we'll see whether it has a right child or not. It has a right child, which is 3, but for 3 we'll see whether it has a left child or not. It doesn't have a left child, so we'll print 3. Then we'll move on to the right child, which is 5. So 5 doesn't have a left child, so we'll print 5. And then 5 doesn't have a right child, so we'll come out of the recursion. So this would be the in-order traversal of the binary tree. So now we'll quickly go ahead and code out this. So for this, I'll be writing code in C++ and I'll be using HTL. So since we need to return a vector, I'll create a vector in say output, and first of I'll check whether the root is null or not. If it is not null, only then I'll proceed, otherwise I'll recurse out. In the end we'll return the output. Okay, so if the root is not null, then I'll be using recursion to solve this. So say v1 is equal to, we'll have to first traverse to the left, right? Once we traverse to the left, we'll have a vector v1 which will contain all the left children of the root node. So we'll add that in the output. Using output dot end, we'll insert at the end from v1 dot start or v1 dot begin to v1 dot end. Okay, then we'll v1 dot push back the current node, which is root val. Okay, and we'll clear the output. This will be our output which we have to return. Now we'll clear the v1 vector and we'll say v1 is equal to Inorder Traversal to roots right. Okay, and then do output dot insert output dot end v1 dot begin, see v1 dot end. Okay, so this will be our code. We'll try to run it first to see if there are any compilation error or it passes the basic test cases or not. It passes, so I'll submit this. So if you see, my solution beats 100% of the runtime, right? And it is accepted. So this was a solution for Inorder traversal for a binary tree. So please let me know if you have any queries in the comment section below, and if you want me to solve any particular specific problem for you, then I'll come up with a video for that as well. And please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.